Hello and welcome to a new Coding Specs video. Last week I set out a challenge. Devise an alarm system of sorts for a bank which detects whether a thief has a direct line of sight to any money. If so, the alarm is sounded. If you haven't attempted the challenge yet, I'll leave a link to last week's video for you in the top right hand corner of your screen. Make sure to check it out first, try your hand at solving the challenge, and then return to this video for the solution. For everyone who did try, I'm sure you found that the solution was simpler than many others in the past. You can see the code here. It's quite short, so I've already written it out in full. However, let's go through it line by line. After importing the NumPy library in the first line, we then define our function and give it our input string. Then, the crucial part of the solution is recognizing that the x's are not required and are only a distraction. So we can get rid of them by replacing them with an empty character. In the fourth line, we split our new string into pairs. This is done by taking the first and second characters, the second and third and fourth, etc. Then we enter an if-else statement. By the way, for any of you who wish to brush up on this topic, I'll leave a link for you in the box above. In this particular case, we are effectively saying that if at any point one of our pairs is equal to $T or $T, in other words, the thief is directly near the money, then we sound the alarm by returning the word alarm. Else, it means that in no case a thief is directly near any money, and therefore the situation is safe, and we can return the word accordingly. As usual, you can now take this code and test it out with any scenario you can think of, or modify it for other uses. With that, I wish you all a pleasant week, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, as well as check out my Python tutorials and coding challenges. Once again, thank you all for watching and happy coding!